Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup Time with Julia. In today's video, we have a palette from Makeup Revolution. We are just gonna do tutorial on this palette. So if you watch my previous video on unboxing video, I uploaded I would say a few weeks ago now. So this was one of them. So as you can see, this palette is quite big. You have 45 shades, like I mentioned on my previous video. See that? So this is huge. We're gonna get lost in this, and yeah, quite colorful as well. You can get this palette from Makeup Revolution website. That's where you can get this from. I think it's also available in Superdrug, and it's 12 pounds each, and they release 4 of these. So it's actually called Maxi Reloaded palette. Keep it within the house. So I will just wait, hang on a minute. It's concealer. Well, never mind. Don't want it to be too runny though. That is concealer. It's not called crease canvas. That one is down there. I thought it's what I was looking for. Mba. Okay, so let's just we don't know what we're expecting when it comes to this palette. We might experience fallout. So for that simple reason, I would like to just put some powder here, which they're gonna leave me super dry after. I guess under my eye gonna be super dry after, but let's just prevent that. I'm just gonna go in with this shade, this very shade here. They haven't got names. Oh. Alright. I'll just apply this here, press it down. It is Makeup Revolution, so I know I am expecting very high pigmented eyeshadow here, and this eyeshadow is all matte. This one I have right now is all matte. Like, are you crazy? See that? See how pigmented it is. The pigment is wow. This is why I just like Makeup Revolution. I like their eyeshadow a lot. And it's also, I don't know how much I can rave about how affordable they are. Okay, the next shade I'm going to use now would be this very shade here. Just gonna use this one up here. Keeps up here, here. Also, so I'm just gonna use this pen mellow. Yeah, this one is also Revolution brush. So I'm just gonna use this to lighten this area. I'm not going to change the brush. I'm just going to use something quite light, which I'm thinking of this shade here, just the other side of the brush. Oh my. All right, this precise brush here, and I will go in with this shade, this very one here. I'm just gonna apply my outer V. If that is not strong enough, I will go in with this or this very one. Just want a bit of smoky-ish around here. Yeah, this is quite strong enough. Very pigmented, this shade. I'm just gonna go in with this blue. I hope the pigment is there too, just like the rest. Oh, come on now. I wanted to do cut crease, but oh no. Shall we just quickly do bottom lash now? My eyes, it looks like one is higher than the other one. Okay guys, bottom lash now. So I'm gonna use this shade again. This is the shade I use in my outer V. I'm gonna use it in my bottom lash. If that is not enough, we will do something else. All right, let's just see. Let's connect it first. Yeah, it's going well so far. So far, so good. Here, let's see. Right, for inner corner, we need something different. We're gonna go in with this yellow here. I don't know how this is gonna play. Okay, just use it. Yellow for inner corner eyeliner. So I'm just gonna do my first lashes off camera, then I will come back. All right guys, now we are back. You know, I said before I was gonna go and do my first lashes off camera, so I have done. The lashes I used today is actually Ella is one of our lashes. So if you want to go and get Ella from our website, is www.makeupitime.com. we have 6 different types of eyelashes. We have Ella, Mia, Abby, Nat, Faith, Jackie. Jackie is cruelty free. Okay guys, so let's talk about this palette, this giant palette from Makeup Revolution, guys. So we still have a very long way to go, and it's all matte, very pigmented, and this you have 45 shades in total. It's also cruelty. Yeah, if you want to go and get this palette from Makeup Revolution, you can get it from their website. You can also get it from Superdrug. Overall, the palette is a good palette and it's big. You can It's a palette you will use over and over and over. And if you wonder what type of foundation I actually use today, why my skin is looking so flawless, full coverage, check that out. It's actually Juvia's Place. So the shade I use today is actually Nairobi, and my concealer here is shade 14. That's what I use for my face, and I used Nets for my blush. And this is the new highlighter I have been living for lately. This is the new highlighter from Boots, what I use to bronze this area, and it actually worked well. So everything worked together perfectly well. And yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share, and follow us on Instagram. Is at Makeup Time with Julia. All right, guys, that's it for today, guys. So I actually like this look. I hope you do too, and I will actually see you on my very next video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.